Hello, and welcome back to Teacher Tips by Alessia's Academy.
In today's teacher tip video, we'll be going through a quick trick that you can use to help you get through writer's block. Whether it's a school assignment or just your own creative writing, we can all feel a little stuck for ideas sometimes. However, it's when we don't know what to write that we actually need to write the most in order to get through our writer's block. Sometimes we get caught up with not feeling like we're going to be writing the perfect thing, that it'll require too much editing. But the truth is that sometimes just getting something on the paper is better than nothing. So it's good to push through that. And we're going to give you a quick example of something you can do in 5 minutes that helps you push through that block. Today we'll be teaching a technique called a brain dump to help you get through your writer's block. It can take as little or as long as you need. We usually recommend doing this for a minimum of 5 minutes. So here's how to do it. The first thing you need to do is get a blank piece of scrap paper that you won't mind throwing away after, and a pen or a pencil to write with. The next thing that you're going to do is set a timer for how long you want to do your brain dump. We usually recommend starting with a 5-minute timer and then extending that as you need. Step 3. Get it all on the paper. You're going to start your timer and don't stop writing until that timer goes off. Don't worry about punctuation or spelling or anything like that. Just write as much as you possibly can. Write down everything that comes into your mind and just keep going. So this is where we're kind of using a bit of a stream of consciousness technique, which is why you want to use scrap paper that you can throw away later on. Step 4. When your timer goes off, stop your writing. Now what you want to do is read through what you've written, because sometimes you might actually find an idea for what you were looking for that came out in the stream of consciousness writing that you just completed. So always read it over first before you decide to throw it away. Now step 5 is when you can finally throw away your brain dump. Destroy it however you need to, or if you like it and you thought there was some good ideas in there, keep it. It's totally your choice, but the exercise itself is now complete. Your mind should now be feeling a little more clear and ready to tackle your writing project. Sometimes the best way to get through writer's block is to just force yourself to keep writing. So even if it's something you may edit later on, you need to continue the practice in order to get through it.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope you found it helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos that teach you how to learn for life and get through school while taking care of yourself. Until next time, see you soon.